So in this short lecture, I want to tell you about my suggestion box. The idea behind this is analogous to the kind of suggestion box you would find at a restaurant. You can write down your thoughts and leave them for the owner to look at to give them feedback so that they can improve your dining experience. In order to share your thoughts with me in my suggestion box, please go to lazyprogrammer.me/suggestions. Here you will find a simple form where you can tell me anything you like. I have a few suggested fields, but none of them are required. However, they would be helpful for me to know. For example, tell me your background. I think someone coming from a background in marketing is going to have very different feedback compared to someone coming from a PhD in physics. Tell me what course you are taking so I have some idea of what you are talking about. Obviously, the more specific you are, the better I can help you. Tell me how difficult you thought the course was. Was it too easy? Was it too hard? Tell me if there was something I neglected to explain. For example, was there some word that I used that you have never heard of? Was there Python code that you haven't seen before? Tell me what you thought was missing from the course, even if it was just something small, like you missed explaining this line of code. Were you looking for an algorithm that wasn't included? This is helpful for me, but it's also helpful for you because many times students are looking for an algorithm or an explanation in the wrong course. So I can say, actually, I teach that algorithm or I explain that thing in such and such course, and this isn't the right course, so have a look over there. Are there any topics you want to request that were not included in this course? For example, maybe you signed up for a deep learning course and you were looking for CNNs, but the course didn't have CNNs in it. Let me know. Finally, let me know your suggestions for future courses. If there's a particular topic you want me to teach that I don't yet have a course about, such as gradient boosting or transformers or even quantum mechanics, let me know. Finally, there is a big text box for any comment you want to write. You can write anything in this box and make it as long as you want. In fact, the longer the better. If you think I talk too slow or I talk too fast, let me know. If you think my prerequisite instructions aren't fair, let me know. I want you to be as specific and as detailed as possible. A lot of the time people give me comments that I can't really act on, which is unfortunate. And this is often because they are too generic and not specific enough. Tell me exactly what lecture and exactly what timestamp you're referring to. If you want to refer to a question on the Q&A, include a link. Be very specific and give me concrete examples so that I know exactly how to act on the information you've given me. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.